I couldn't get to work today, it was too flooded, so I thought I'd go for a walk in the woods. And I love it this time of year when it rains. All the rivers come alive and the mosses are really green. Anyway, I thought I'd show you some of these lichens on this tree. This is the temperate rainforest. I don't know if you can see how many different sorts of lichens there are in all these little micro habitats. And I don't know if you can see that. Pretty cool. And then this one here. So if you look at this, this is a bud of this hawthorn tree, and because it's smoother bark than the rest, you've got these script lichens. This is like Graphis scripta. Yeah, all sorts of different lichens, and they change the further up the branches you go. Look at the epithecea on these ones.
It doesn't always rain this much, but it's pretty humid in these ravines and by these waterfalls. That's why we get so many interesting lichens and bryophytes. We also have a lot of leafy liverworts and thallus liverworts that thrive in these moist conditions.
There's a lot of water in the river today.
I'll show you a few of these other waterfalls while I'm out here.